All right, let's talk about wiring up the encoders on servo motors. So the cables from your machine come down into your electrical panel in these three locations here. This is Z, X, and Y. And you can see the labels ZCE, XCE, and YCE. And that stands for Z connector encoder. All right, so the wiring for each motor is exactly identical. So we're just gonna do one. So first, the encoder needs power and 0 volts ground. So these two wires right here, the red and the black wire, they run down here. And then they run down to this 5-volt block here and this 0-volt block. And I've got Z motor in the back level and Y in the middle level and X in the front level. All right. Now, each encoder has two channels, an A and a B channel. And each channel has a positive and a negative signal. So the white and yellow wire is the A channel, and the green and blue wire is the B channel. White being positive, yellow being negative, green being positive, and blue being negative. These wires run down through this wireway and over to the ICM 2900. Now there's a section here for 4 motors. We are only using 3. The X motor for left and right, the Y motor for up and down, and the Z motor for turning the cutting head. And you can see that each one of those has white, yellow, green, and blue. And the labels, and maybe you can see this one the clearest, it says negative, M for motor, B for B channel, X for X axis. And this is going to say positive MBX, negative MBAX, or negative MAX, and positive MAX. So those are your positive, negative, positive, and negative A channel, B channel. Up here is for Y, A channel, B channel, Z, A channel, B channel. All those wires are the same colors. They all go over here to their respective locations on this connector block. Okay, so power and neutral from down here, and feedback to the 2900. That gets you your encoders wired in, and that's really the last step in wiring up one of these electrical panels. Later we'll talk about this works for analog servo drives. We're gonna talk about digital servo drives in another video. Thank you.